Welcome back to my channel, my people. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. So in today's recipe we are preparing cabbage with meat. So we got garlic, meat, cabbage, and onion and tomato, guys. Yeah, so this recipe is so easy to make. Yeah, it's full of flavor and so delicious, guys. Stay tuned as we walk through the process of preparing our cabbage with meat. For the recipe we will need we need vegetable oil for frying the meat. So, and as you can see, the oil has already heated, and also I'm adding in the pan to the onion. So if you want your food to be full of flavor of onions, and also if you love onion, guys, let your onion fry until it is golden brown, so it will add in more flavor into your food. As you can see here, the onion is already fried. Yeah, it's golden brown. So yeah, I'll go ahead and add in our meat, guys. So after, as you can see, the meat is there, so I'll stir and stir to make sure the onions and the oil combine into the meat very well. Yes, guys. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and stir until it is combining in so well, and then after that I'll continue with our process of preparing our recipe, guys. As you can see here, I got salt. I'll add in a little bit of salt for the taste. Yeah, so the salt will make our meat so tasty and delicious, and also while frying, when you put the salt early, it will melt very well into the meat. When you bite the meat, you'll also taste the flavor of the meat and also the salt. So that's I'm also adding in chopped garlic. The garlic is for the flavor, so I've added in early so that it will cook and go into the meat. And when you bite the meat, you taste the flavor of garlic as well. So, and then after adding the garlic, I'll also go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of vegeta, guys. This is optional. If you don't love vegeta, you can put in any kind of your spice that you want, or any seasoning that you want. So yeah, I'm also adding in our spices, guys. What do you think about this video? In case you love it, please don't forget to subscribe and comment and like and share. Thank you so much for your support. In case you're my new subscribers, you're most welcome, and my returning subscribers, so thank you so much for always stopping by and watching my video. Yeah, may God bless you all. Stay tuned as we continue preparing our food. Add our tomato. Our meat is frying very well. And then I'm gonna add in here and our tomato paste. I've mixed it with water. So I'll add in there. cover it again to let it cook. So it's time to add in our cabbage because our meat is ready. All ready. I'm gonna add in our cabbage. So this is the cabbage. So add it in there. I'll add it little by little. Start turning. So I'm gonna cover it. I'll let it cook down for 5 minutes and then our cabbage will be ready. So guys, our cabbage is ready. See? All ready now. The aroma is so delicious, guys. Ready. So guys, our food is all ready. Look at that. It's so delicious, guys.